So you might be having some issues within iOS 26, and maybe you're having some issues where you're not really able to go ahead and install these versions of softwares. Now, number one, the very big thing I recommend kind of thinking about is if you're having some big issues where this update is just not downloading or it's not showing up, you want to make sure your phone is supported on iOS 26. So it's the iPhone 11s and above, and you can make sure of this by going into your iPhone settings, clicking on General, clicking on Software Update, and making sure that you have your particular update set up for your particular iPhone. Meaning that your iPhone and your iPhone is your account is set up as a developer account or developer beta account. So if you're not a developer of any sort or you don't have an Apple developer account, you won't be able to see this update. You're going to have to wait until the public beta comes out. But let's say you're watching this a couple months later and it should already be out. You want to double check your internet connection. So number one, make sure your Wi-Fi connection is perfectly set up. Sometimes you might be having some Wi-Fi issues. So just make sure you're not having any sort of Wi-Fi problems. And that could be another thing you might want to just double check because that could be another issue you might run into. On top of that, you might want to just go ahead and try making sure you have enough storage inside of your device as well. If it's not installing, it could be a problem with your storage. Click on your iPhone settings one more time. Click on your general option here. Click into iPhone storage and just go ahead and make sure that your particular iPhone has enough storage and there's nothing messed up there, because that can also cause some issues when it comes down to it. If that's still giving you some issues, you might want to go through and try restarting your iPhone. So hold down the buttons you normally would to restart your iPhone, slide the power off, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem too. If that still doesn't do it, you might want to try restarting your phone again or try updating, maybe reading it update or two, and see if that ends up fixing the problem. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, thank you so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else, every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.